How to export and download videos from Veed in SD. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, open the project you want to export. Make sure you have finished editing, including adding text, subtitles, audio, music, or sound effect. Once your video is ready, click on the Done button at the top right corner of the editor. Veed will give you options for video quality. Select SD High Definition for the best resolution. After selecting resolution, click on Export Video. Veed will process your video, which may take a few moments depending on its length and complexity. Once processing is complete, click Download to save the video directly to your computer or device. You can now share your SD video on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or any other platform without losing quality. Now you know how to export and download videos from Veed in SD. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.